Hi, here's a little information about our Nexus Uni database. You'll see that if you go to the SWIC library website, which you can get to just by going to Student Services and clicking on Library, if you scroll down underneath the picture, you'll see our blue search widget. You'll see that the first tab identified is articles, and then we have our 4 databases. Nexus Uni is one that has a lot of legal information, and it's very similar to Westlaw. You can type your topic right into the box. I'm just going to type in vaping and click go, and you land on a big results page. Now, Nexus Uni was originally built as a legal database, but they wanted to reach out to more libraries and have more subscribers, so they actually started putting full-text newspaper stories in there, which is really helpful for us because it's a really great range of articles from around the world that are published in newspapers. You'll see just on the general landing page that you find from our search widget that you see all of these components right here that will allow you to look at law reviews, cases, and if there's a down arrow, it'll let you identify the countries and all of these other areas. And there's also additional limits down over here on the left column as well that you can open all of those up. To read any of them, all you have to do is click on the title. Once you click on it, you can print, email, or save with any of the tools located at the top, and you can also get a citation written for you. Now you can go to the front page of Nexus Uni just by clicking on their company name right there. I did provide a direct link to the front page of Nexus Uni in this email, so if you wanted to kind of just start there, you can. You'll see that there's just a general search box at the top of the page, but it says all Nexus Uni with a little down arrow. This will allow you to kind of narrow even before you put in your search term. If you know that you want to narrow by the content collection, and you'll see all of the options here, whether it's just cases, statutes and legislations, legal news, briefs, pleadings, and motions, you can already check those boxes right here and make those things that you just search specifically versus starting out so general. They also have other areas like case codes. They also have news sections, practice areas and topics, and you'll see these are broken down by a lot of the law reviews and things that are available, the different areas, any date ranges, and any recent favorites you might have. So just know that you can narrow down by those options even before you click your search magnifying glass there and search. And there's also a guided search section where you can decide what are you interested in. If you wanted law reviews, you can put in your keyword search right here and choose your date range. So there's a few lesser options from here. You can choose your state cases and things like that. So just know that there are 2 places that you can go. You can either start on the direct web page for the library and get the big results page, or if you click on the top or click on the link in the email, you can start in this location and it'll be a little bit narrowed down. If you have any more questions, please contact myself. I'm Jennifer Bone, or you can contact Samantha Rogers. We're here at the library, and our contact information is right here underneath the picture on the library webpage, and we're happy to help you anytime. Good luck!